In this video, we will be discussing how to use your parent portal. To use the parent portal to check grades, attendance, add money for lunch and extended care, as well as update demographic information, please complete the following on a computer. First, you want to head over to hopechristianschool.org. Next, select Facts/ParentsWeb in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll want to use your parent login and not your student login. Once you're logged in, select Student on the left-hand side of the menu bar. From here, you can check your students' grades, report cards, attendance, and more. To add funds to your lunch or extended care account, select Financial at the bottom of the screen. Here you can add funds to your students' extended care account or their lunch account. You can also view your payment plan and make changes to your account on file. Only members linked to your household can see this information, so split families do not have access to each other's accounts. To update your demographics or emergency pickups, select School on the left-hand side. Select Web Forms, and then update the forms needed. Please allow 3 to 5 business days for your change to reflect in the portal, and contact the appropriate campus in any emergency scenarios.